姐姐，你在做什么？
I'm fixing a hamster cage like you said.
哦，哇，你很乖嘞。
So we didn't change the bedding now. I'm just putting everything back.
OK。嗨，早安。听弟弟讲，你们今天睡到很迟才起来啊
？Yeah, 11点。
11点。
你看啊，
明天要读书怎么办？
来呀。
OK， 我们 change cage 的时候把它放在这里，对吗 ？Good morning, Hammie. Hello there. 它这个 box 很好哎，因为有沙，对不对？
Oh, Mama, I found some really hard pieces of in those.
What is it?
So there's this. It's really hard. You could feel it.
哦，它
可以chew这上面。If you try to break it, it's hard.
What's that?
It's part of that.
那个 house.
Yeah, sometimes they don't cut it properly, so.
Oh, bedding. I thought
Yeah.
it's a house. Okay, so she can chew on it. Okay.
Yeah, and there are two more. There's one over there and one over there.
Should we show her teeth?
See, she's like.
Then show her teeth or do a checkup.
Sure.
Hammie.
She doesn't like coming on because just now, she wouldn't come out of the cage. So I took she was in the house, so I took the house up. So you're not very happy about that, are you?
Come on, let's do a checkup, Hammie.
She just goes like
Come on.
Oh, good girl. She was coming on and then she's like, nope. It's easier in here. Oh, it's so cute.
Noing.
Come on, Hammie. Oops.
Okay, let's see how we can do a medical checkup on Hammie. Yeah?
Just her teeth. So people online, they always do this
Okay.
so they could see her teeth.
Oh, her teeth. So it's fine? Is the size okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
I thought you did a lot of research.
Yeah, I do. They just said that their teeth shouldn't go like up, or else then they can't eat that well.
Okay, so hers was fine, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty, good girl, Hammie. Good. See you in a bit, Hammie.
Into this hole. You can come in here, Hammie.
Cozy, cozy.
He's like, no, not now.
Good girl.
Okay, I'll go back to play.
Hammie,
This.
do you want to try a new playground
ready?
house?
Set, you can go. Where are you going?
Oh,
Oh, she wants to go back in her house first.
okay. Because it's clean, right?
She's playing in her squid bowl again. She's like, I want to explore.
Hey, I can come out now.
You can come out now, honey.
Oh, good job.
Wait for me. Come here. Ooh, doink. Oh, I think you love that. No. Go explore first, Hammie. See, she'll move it. Doink. Come on, Hammie. Go here. Come here.
Oh, she saw the new place.
Oh, no, she's going in there. Oh, he's not. Oh, she's going to your playground.
Oh, the house. You're going
Should we
to
open it?
That's fine, just let her go inside. It's dark inside, it's nice.
Oh, they're not going to turn off, by the way.
Hammie.
She's not going to come out.
Hammie.
Oh, she's coming out. She's going to her pee-pee place.
There's a poo-poo place. Do you see the poo-poo place? There's a hole there.
She can't get in. I told you.
It's fine. Oh, she saw this.
Is she going in? I think
No,
it's
not
too
yet. It's
small.
fine. She's trying. She's trying. It's okay. Let's make this hole bigger a bit. Yeah, like that. Yeah? She will see. Poo-poo place.
There's like 3 more, of those mini fruit stuffies. Can Didi just finish it because I need the box?
What box?
There's a box that I want. There's just 3 like little stuffies left.
还要吃呗？
No, Didi.
还要吃呗，弟弟？
Is it fine?
还要吃的时候才给他吃。
Is it chocolate marshmallow? Because I need a cat.
She's going at the back. She's going back into the house. No, she's not.
Oh no, she's going to the roly-poly.
Roly poly.
Oh no, you're not. Me?